Hello guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to connect WIX website to Google Search Console. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly connect your WIX website here to Google Search Console? So this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and access wix.com and log in into your account and access your website. Now in here, as you can see, this is our dashboard. So at the left side, there are a few settings that you could access. So you want to look for site and mobile app here, expand this one, and want to go and expand website and SEO. And in here, you should see the SEO option. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you should be able to see a few things here, but what's important for us here is going to be the site performance on Google. So in this case, you need to connect your Google Search Console here. Just click on connect to Google. And from here, it's going to say complete SEO checkup list before you connect. So in this case, go and click on go to SEO setup checklist. And from here, you just need to make sure that you complete the whole checklist here. So let's go and click on get started. And from here, just fill out all the necessary information. But once you've done that, and once you go back into your SEO here and click on connect to Google, you just need to log in into your account and you should be able to connect your WIX website to Google Search Console. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.